Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. And today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. Now, I sent away from this from a company. Can't remember it. I'll go ahead and try and leave the link down below. It was Budakon or something like that. I don't remember the exact name, but there was a lot of different things on there and I thought I'd give them a try. This one's from Lay's and it is imported. I think it's either Korean or Japanese or something like that. And this is called, wait for it. All right. Hot and sour lemon braised chicken feet flavored. Yes. Actually says hot and sour lemon chicken feet. 150 calories. I don't know. It's going to taste like chicken feet. I've never had chicken feet. I don't know what chicken feet taste like. Obviously, like chicken. Hot and sour lemon. Braised lemon. I don't know. Here we go. I can get it open. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. I can smell the lemon. I can really smell the lemon in that one. And doesn't look like anything specific. It is a thin chip. It looks like some bubbles. That might be the lemon juice. I can really smell intense lemon. All right. Here we go, fire in a hole. Yep. Lemon. Chicken. Like a chicken broth flavor. Very, very foul. I could taste a lot of the lemon. It's like chicken broth. It is kind of funky, I think, the feet. Yeah. Very brothy, greasy. The lemon's okay. This one is a totally different flavor. I had to get that in. All right. Yeah. Chicken broth, lemon, and then that kind of strange, earthy, chickeny flavor. The chips themselves are nice and crunchy. The lemon broth is okay. The chicken, I don't care for that too much. It's more greasy than anything, like a chicken broth that not quite done. Hot and sour. Just a little bit of spice I get to that. Sour is the lemon. And then the funky chicken kind of flavor in the background. Like a dance, I guess. But as it stands, no. Not my favorite. I would not get this particular one. When I ordered it, I thought it was just hot and sour lemon. I didn't see the part about the chicken feet. Kind of cut that off. But I have tried it. So for that one, hot and sour lemon braised chicken feet flavor. Nice. I'm going to give it a 6. It's a little spicy, a little lemony. The chicken's got a funky flavor. Wouldn't get it again. I'll probably finish it. Maybe I'll put it with a dip or something. But if you want to try something unique, go on one of the Asian websites. Go into your Asian market. look online for imports. You can find all kinds of weird Lay's flavors that are out there. So there you go, guys. Another strange new flavor from Lay's. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell right over there. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So till next time, on Drew's Food Reviews, and I'll be trying something new and chicken feet for you. I'm gonna put these aside. I'll try them again sometime down the line and be on the lookout for new flavors. So until next time, guys, talk to you later.